see that the coolant goes right into the arbor right here. And our special arbor has the hole here for feeding the coolant. This is a 1 3/4 inch. Put it in there. And you notice that it has this tang. The tang also so it won't slip. I'm going to put in our gigantic cutter. And you can see we've got 4 forward speeds. And the speeds are laser etched right into the gear casing. And changing the gears. There's one. Good. We've also got a 19mm welding for smaller cutters, also equipped with a feed. We can put in a cutter such as this one. We're ready to drill. Another interesting thing is our quick release, also 19mm, and it also still has the coolant feed in it. You can see it's very convenient. It's quick to release. And in addition, we have the chuck adapter with a 5/8 inch chuck. And we can fit. We have the chuck key as well. We can fit this built in here. And we can also fit large MT3 twist drills as well. And so we can do some twist drilling if we need to. And of course, one of the cool things we can do also is tapping. This is a tapping chuck. This is a large one, 32. We also have the 19mm one. I'll show you how that works. And remember, for tapping, quick release. For tapping, we have the reversing switch. So you switch forward, stop, and reverse for tapping. And of course, you'll be electronically controlling your speed to a lower speed. Now remember, whenever you're drilling, always mount chip guard and also as well use your safety chain.